Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a mobile app without coding using Glide. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, if you don't want to use coding and use Glide, you need to go and open your Glide account. So once you open your Glide account, you need to get logged in into your Glide. So Glide is a software that helps you build your app. So to create a mobile app without coding, you need to primarily organize your data in a spreadsheet using Glide's Builder to design your app screen and functions and then publish it. So you need to simply get signed up or logged in into your account and plan your app and gather your data. Define your purpose, organize your data, and create your app in Glide. You need to then customize your app's design and layout. You need to modify a layout, add interactive components, and refine your branding. You need to add workflows and advanced functionalities like create actions and integrating it with other tools. You can also add AI features and publish and share your app. So this is how you can simply create a mobile app without coding using Glide. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.